I wrote the book, Silence and the Noise. So, what is noise? Noise is anything that takes us away from the positive thought patterns in our life. Most of the time, noise is not loud, it's internal. Things like negative self-talk, what-if statements, imagine the worst outcome, bad memories, bad fears, repeated again and again. Noise not only distracts us, it reprograms us. From a neural science standpoint, anything repeated is strengthened. Neural pathways are like grass, deep grass. When we travel on the grass again and again, the trails get deeper and deeper, easier to follow. When we continue to say and think negative thoughts, it increases anxiety. It strengthens our fear-based neural pathways, and eventually it changes what we consider as normal. Over time, it becomes more than just bad habits. It becomes our neural identity. And our neural identity shapes our self-identity. We start out by saying, I feel anxious. Eventually we start saying, I am anxious. That belief quietly steals our focus. It steals our clarity and it steals our peace. Here's a short refrain. Peace is not an emotion. Peace is our focus. Emotions come and go, but focus is something we can choose and something we can train. That's why I wrote the book, Silence and the Noise. Go to Amazon.com, books, Silence and the Noise, and get your copy today. And get a copy for someone you love.